A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please rise as we witness the arrival of our honored principal and members of the management, escorted by two senior
Lyceum, my alma mater, may the torch of learning burn, embodying mind and spirit, for the teaching we all yearn. Like mighty Apollo, let's stand with strength and courage, brought with wisdom from man's sword blue. Our future may be gold, silver and blue, the colors play on the flag that bears our name. Silver for the cold, cold eyes, and blue from the hottest flame. We pledge to thee our loyalty, now till the end of days. Lyceum, our own dear scholars, whom we praise.
Thank you. You may now take your seats.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to this evening of celebration and artistry. We are thrilled to have you with us tonight as we embark on this journey filled with enchanting melodies and mesmerizing performance.
Prepare to be swept off your feet as we celebrate the beauty of music and dance intertwined with the spectacular showcase.
Tonight's performance will take you through various musical styles, each accompanied by beautiful performances. So, sit back, relax, and let the melodies carry you away.
So let the glamour begin. Sit back, relax, and allow the wonder of our Grade 2 concert, Twills and Tunes, sweep you off your feet.
To set the stage with a warm welcome, we would like to invite Ronel Fonseca of Grade 2C to deliver the welcome speech.
Children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. A very good evening to our respected principal, Mr. Neeraj Vijayasinghe, Deputy Principal, Ms. Vasundhara Jeevakraman, Headmistress of the Primary, Mrs. Eshani Mendis, the other members of the management, dear teachers, parents, and my dear friends. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to our Grade 2 concert here at Lyceum International School, Panadura. Today is such a special day as we gather to celebrate the talent, hard work, and joy of all my friends and classmates in Twirls and Tunes. We have worked really hard to bring Twirls and Tunes to life, and I know you will be impressed. So now, sit back, relax, enjoy the amazing performances being prepared for you today. Let's give all the performers a
Thank you, Ronel, for that warm welcome.
As we gather here to soak the beauty of combining the foot and hand movements of the Indian dancing tradition, it's my honor to introduce a segment that truly embodies the spirit of the dance.
Get ready to be mesmerized as our talented dancers take the stage to present a beautiful manifestation and relevance of spirituality. This dance is a blend of traditional movements and heartfelt emotions. It is a tribute to the divine rich culture that we hold dear.
Join us in this sacred journey as we delve into rhythm and artistry that pay homage to our roots. Each step and gesture tells a story, inviting us to connect with divine and appreciate the rich tapestry of lowland and upcountry dance tradition.
So without further ado, let the incredible dancers of Grade 2B on stage.
Wow, that was truly an amazing performance.
Get ready to be thrilled tonight for an unforgettable evening filled with music, emotions, and connection.
It's a song by the Uganda group Masaka Kids Africana. It's about seeking guidance and love from friends in times of trouble.
Tonight, we are going to pay tribute to those feelings that we all share. A particular song that encapsulates the essence of looking for guidance in our life. A song that resonates with anyone who has felt or left down by challenges we face.
It's about finding solace in connection, about having faith in others, and perhaps most importantly, it's about having that flicker of hope even in our darkest hours.
So without further ado, let's invite our incredible girls of grade 2. That was a wonderful performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, and friends from all walks of life, gather round because we are about to embark on a fantastic journey.
Tonight, under this magical sky, we have vibrant tapestry of music and dance brought to you by sensitive tunes. From the first note, you feel the rhythm plastering through your veins, the melodies wrapping around you like a warm embrace.
Prepare yourselves for a song that celebrates love, joy, and beauty of life itself. Yes, it's time to immerse the beauty of Mehodala Sanabonika.
As we play this piece, I invite you to close your eyes just for a moment. Picture yourself in the sun-dancingly mellow, surrounded by flowers blooming brightly under the golden rays of the sun.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us unleash the magic of Mehodala Sanabonika. Let's sway, let's hum, and let's feel every Ladies and gentlemen, it's being a night of rhythm, grace, and cultural expression.
Before we dive into the mesmerizing world of movements, let us share a little bit about the incredible dance forms.
This powerful speaks a universal language that transcends all barriers. This dance is about the forest, activities of animals, and their ways of living happily in the greenery with Mother Nature's boon throughout the day, from dawn to dusk each day with fun and joy.
So, I invite you to sit back, relax, and emphasize yourself in this vibrant culture experience. Let the dancers transport you with their passion, skills, and excitement. Get ready to be embarked on a journey of artistic brilliance.
Please put your hands together and welcome the extraordinary performers of Grade 2A.
Hiru Devi
Jenny, do you know what happened in the kitchen?
What happened? Something funny?
Ha, you will know. And you know who's gonna cook dinner tonight?
Who?
It's Daddy.
What? Daddy?
Yes, we can eat pizza tonight too. Do you want to hear what happened in the kitchen?
Yes, of course. And please welcome Daddy's making dinner now on stage.
Daddy's making dinner by Jeff Wondak.
Daddy's making dinner. I've seen it all before. French fries black and burning and meat off on the floor.
Daddy's making dinner. The sugar ball just broke. Fido ate the gravy. The house has filled with smoke.
Daddy's making dinner, but I'm not trying to mourn. Soon he will surrender and go pick up the phone.
Hello, I want to order devil chicken large pizza.
Daddy
Made the dinner. Today's my lucky day. Dinner's in the trash can and pizza's on the way.
Ladies and gentlemen, lovers of culture from near and far, welcome to this magnificent evening where we come together to celebrate the rich tapestry of our ancestors.
Tonight, we are honored to present a captivating performance that truly embodies the spirit of the dance.
Dalada Varuna, often referred as a dance of the sacred tooth relic, finds its roots in the vibrant culture soil of our ancestors. It is not just a dance, it reflects on how our ancestors offered the prime protein of their harvest to the sacred tooth relic. Every step, every gesture carries the essence of our past, our tradition and indomitable sprite.
Are you ready? Let us not wait any longer. It's my absolute pleasure and honor to present our great to-be dancers on stage for the spellbinding Dalda Varna. Let the dance begin.
शुद्धोदन नरपति कुल महिमं बुद्धागम महामाया देवी धर प्रसुतं विद्याधर सकलागम निपुणा बहुपठितम् श्री गौतम प्रणमामित शरणम् kannet me kannet අටකොටු පිරීලා ඉතිරෙන්නයි දෙයෝ අගහස්බින් කොට සමිඳු පුදන්නට සත්තයි අපි එනවා දෙයෝ සත්තයි අපි එනවා දෙයෝ දෙවියෝ ඇවිදින් රැකවල්ලා තර කොටරු සිරු අපිරෙන්ද්‍ර පසුපසින් වඩිනවා මේ සින්දවලේ සිව් දෙවිදු අදිනගාමයෙන් ජනයා රැස්වී විස්මිත බුද කම්බු සිරු දෙවන්නේ කුම්පෑ අප දරු දළදා වරුනේ රුහසිරු
That was a splendid performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, gather round. Welcome one and all to the most ripping celebration of the day, the legendary Feast for Frog.
Today is a day for love, joy, and of course, a wonderful banquet for our favorite amphibian. You all know Frog, our cheerful and spirited friend, has not only entertained us, but have captivated our hearts. Frog has brought us time and time again.
So, my fellow forest dwellers, let's dive into this feast with the enthusiasm of a frog leaping into a restaurant.
So let the feast for the frog begin. Dive in, dig deep, and let the flavors transport you.
A Feast for a Frog by Ken Nesbitt. I took my frog with me to dinner today. We went down the street to my favorite cafe. As soon as we sat down, the waitress came by. I ordered a burger, a shake, and some pie. What would you like to order, miss? I need a burger, a shake, and some pies, please. I thought she was done, but the next thing I knew, she turned to my frog and asked, "What about you?" My frog then surprised me. He looked up and spoke. He said, "Just the usual, flies and a croak. Ribbit, ribbit."
And now we have a special item in store for you. As we gather in this beautiful space, let's take a moment to reflect on our journeys, the paths we've taken, and the stories that have shaped who we are.
Life is a tapestry woven with unplanned actions, beauty of nature, and everyday moments. But each thread contributes to a unique story.
The song is not just a melody, it's a powerful anthem that encourages children to observe and engage with the world around them.
As we listen, I invite you to reflect on your own journey, the roads you have traveled, the lessons you have learned, and the moments that define you. This song is a celebration of that journey, a recognition that every step you take, no matter how difficult, lead us towards growth and understanding.
Let's welcome our cool boys of grade 2D to sweep off the stage with their tunes of words. Let's open our hearts and minds and let the music transport us on this journey together.
There are a lot of things for me to do. On my way home, I'll tell you a few. I can walk and run, climb up a tree, go make a buzz like a bumblebee, and that's
It's fantastic to see so many smiling faces ready to share in the magic of music with us.
Rehan, let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt a connection so profound that it felt like an echo in your very being?
Yes, of course, Suyama. It's a song that captures emotions of love for one's motherland and memories of home. It expresses the deep connection to Sri Lanka, describing the beauty of the land, the warmth of the people, and the irreplaceable memories tied to one's motherland.
As the song unfolds, close your eyes. Let the music wrap around you like a comforting embrace. Feel the rhythm pulse through your hearts as we embark on this journey together.
Please welcome them with a warm round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the heart of our musical journey right here. I hope you all are having an entertaining evening.
Rehan, I have Treat for Your Ears, a song that captures innocence, playful joy, and simple yet profound beauty of lovers. It's the soothing and melodious Punchi Kakulumal.
This is an enchanting song that takes us on a journey through lush gardens and blooming fields celebrating life's delicate moments.
Now, without further ado, here it comes. Sit back, relax, and let the beautiful melodies of Punchi Kakulumal by Grade 2C sweep you off your feet.
Sudah hamada malapi, kala loe
and gentlemen, gather round and lend your ears. As the stars twinkle above and the rhythm of the night beckons, we are about to embark on a journey, a celebration of life, passion, and the unyielding spirit of the dance.
So, dust off your boots, straighten those hats, and get ready to kick up some dirt, because it's time to unleash that fiery spirit that lies within each and every one of you.
Let's slide, twirl, and groove. Let the spirit of the ultimate celebration of sports and success guide every step. When you dance, you're not just moving your feet, you're celebrating every heartbeat, every breath, and every moment that brings us together in this beautiful evening.
So, let's pour out the cup of life by Ricky Martin. Turn up the volume and let's make this night unforgettable. Here we go. Let the music begin.
The cup of life, this is the one. Now is the time, don't ever stop. Push it along, gotta be strong. Push it along, right to the top. The feeling in your soul is gonna take control. Nothing can hold you back if you really want it. I see it in your eyes, you want the cup of life. Now that the day's here, gotta go and get it. Do you really want it? Do you really want it? Here we go, ale, ale, ale. Go, 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 ale, ale, ale. Tonight's the night, we're gonna celebrate the cup of life. Ale, ale, ale. The cup of life, it's do or die. It's here, it's now. Turn up the lights. Push it along, then let it roll. Push it along, go, go, go. And when you feel the heat, the world is at your feet. No one can hold you down if you really want it. Just do your destiny, right from the hands of fate. Reach for the cup of life, 'cause your name is on it. Do you really want it? Do you really want it? Here we go, ale, ale, ale.
an electrifying performance.
It's time for a little musical interlude. Now, before we dive into the notes, I want to spin you a yarn about a tale of brotherhood and appreciation of nature composed by the famous band Beatles.
Here's a magical boat that can take you on a journey far beyond the horizon. It's a vessel of brotherhood where rivers flow with music and the fish can bootstrap their little banjos to join in the fun.
So, gather round, friends, dust off those boots, tap your toes, and let your heart sail away. With every pluck of these strings, our friends are here to take you on a rollicking ride where the music is as vibrant as the stars adorning the night sky.
Now, I'm fixing to serenade you all with a little number I like to call the Yellow Submarine.
The town where I was born lived a man who stayed to see, and he told us of his life in the land of submarines. So we sailed on through the sun till we found a sea of green. And we live beneath the waves in a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. And the friends are all aboard. Many more of them live next door. And the band begins to play. La 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 la, la la la. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine.
Welcome, the Little Witches, a tale of enchantment, mischief, and a dash of chaos. Tonight, we invite you to step beyond the mundane and into a world where shadows dance and secrets simmer in a bubbling cauldron.
They are making a cauldron filled with strange and often unsettling ingredients like animal parts, herbs, and other mysterious items being stirred in by our little witches while chanting incantations, creating an eerie and magical atmosphere.
Please welcome the Little Witches of Grade 2C with the wizards who are very skillful and very clever. They all have magical powers. Remember and be careful not to look at their eyes straight.
Double, double, toil and trouble. Fire burn and cauldron bubble. Fillet of a fenny snake. In the cauldron boil and bake. Eye of newt and toe of frog. Wool of bat and tongue of dog. Adder's fork and blind worm's sting. Lizard's legs and owlet's wing. For a charm of powerful trouble. Like a helper, boil and bubble. Double, double, toil and trouble. Fire burn and cauldron bubble.
Witches brew. Dead leaves, seaweed, rotten eggs too. Stir them in my witches brew. I got magic. Alakazamagazoo. Spider webs, moldy bread, maki matu. Stir them in my witches brew. I got magic. Alakazamagazoo. Oh, my witches brew. What's gonna do to you? Boo! Florax, thumbtacks, purple plant too. Stir them in my witches brew. I got magic. Alakazamagazoo. Fingernails, lunch pails, apple cores too. Stir them in my witches brew. I got magic. Alakazamagazoo. Oh, my witches brew. What's gonna do to you? Boo! Winkle prunes, mushrooms, motor oil too. Stir them in my witches brew. I got magic. Alakazamagazoo. I got magic. Alakazamagazoo.
Hey Rehan, shall we try on a Tamil vibe? What do you say?
Oh yeah, sure. I'd love to. And so, here's to a spectacular celebration of art, culture, and the passion of Tamil folk style that reflects the spirit of togetherness.
Tonight, we are not just observing a dance, we are honoring the heart and soul of India.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves for an electrifying experience. As the lights dim and the music builds, let us embrace the magic that is about to unfold. Are you ready to witness who will emerge victorious in this celebration of talent?
Let's commence the final act of our grand finale by 2A dancers. Here we go. Let the music begin.
Oh Manida, இந்த உலகத்தில் எங்கெங்கு சென்றாலும் நாம் வாழ்கிறோம். நிறம் மாறும், வாழும் நிலம் மாறும். அட உண்மையை ஜெயிக்கின்ற குதிரைகள் நாமாகவே. நாடே நம் கையில் நாளைதானா, வானம் நாம் செல்லும் சாலைதானா. நாம் வானமாக, நாம் பூமியாக, நம் நட்பு வாழும் எப்போதே. எல்லோரும் சொல்வர் எங்களே இந்தியாவாலே, நம் மனம் கொட்டும் வார்த்தையே இந்தியாவாலே. கிடைக்கின்ற நாடு காட்டவே இந்தியாவாலே. துஷ்டர்கள் வந்தால் சூடாக்கே நாம் இந்தியாவாலே. துஷ்டர்கள் வந்தால் சூடாக்கே நாம் இந்தியாவாலே.
அன்பான சாரல் நீ, காதல் தந்தாய் நீ, உன்னாலே ஏதேதோ நஞ்சு கொண்டே.
ஊஞ்சல் காதல் தேனா யாரோ அவனோடு நீதானா ஒரு பால் இரு கைகள் சேர் அழபாத்தை நூறு சொன்னாலே எல்லோரும் சொல்வர் எங்களை இந்தியாவாலே நம் மனம் கொட்டும் வார்த்தையே இந்தியாவாலே ஜெயிக்கின்ற நாளின் ஆட்டமே இந்தியாவாலே துஷ்டர்கள் வந்தால் சூழாக்கு நாம் இந்தியாவாலே உங்களை விரலாலே சுழக்கு நாம் இந்தியாவாலே ஒன்றே இனமானதே நம்பி வந்தாலே தன்னாலே இன்றே நீ கை சேரடா நம் போல் பலமானில்லை சொதி கையேந்தி தேசத்தின் பகை வெல்லும் பகை நாமடா சென்றும் பின்வாங்கி போனதில்லை எதிரி முன் என்றும் ஓய்ந்ததில்லை பண்ணோடு பாகிறோம் வெற்றமாகிறோம் எந்த நாள் கொண்டாடி எல்லோரும் சொல்வர் எங்களே இந்தியாவாலே நம் மனம் கொட்டும் வார்த்தையே இந்தியாவாலே ஜெயிக்கின்ற நாளின் ஆட்டமே இந்தியாவாலே துஷ்டர்கள் வந்தால் சூழாக்கு நாம் இந்தியாவாலே துஷ்டர்கள் வந்தால் சூழாக்கு உங்களை விரலாலே சுழற்று நாம் இந்தியாவாலே
Wow, and that was a breathtaking performance. Let's give another round of applause to our talented performers.
And just like that, the magic about words and tunes has come to life before us. From the very first twinkle to the final sparkle, these little stars have truly dazzled us with their charm and energy.
What a glamorous journey we've been on tonight. We've traveled through a world of glitter, dance, and magic where dreams and creativity took flight. Every twirl, every tune, and every moment of joy has brought to this momentous evening.
It's been an evening of pure enchantment where the vibrant colors of our twirls and tunes waves on this wonderful evening. Our performers have shown us that with a little twirl and tune, a lot of imagination and with a little heart, anything is possible.
Let's give a huge round of applause to our incredible grade 2 performers who have given us an unforgettable show tonight. Your energy, creativity, and enthusiasm have truly brought the magic of the twirling tunes to life.
As we twirl this magical evening,